Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, we are going to show you on how you can build a high-ticket dropshipping business without worrying about suppliers, inventory, or long shipping time. In this tutorial, we will walk you through Sellvia. It is a powerful e-commerce platform that handles everything from product sourcing to fast US delivery. So just click on the Start for Free option at the top right of your screen or click on the Get All for Free. So if you are from the Philippines, you just have to proceed to the Philippine website. So here you can get your own e-commerce store with a free trial of Sellvia Pro. So here you'd be able to see the details of this offer. Okay, so here you just have to type out your information and of course your payment info. So you just have to review the limited time offer. So right here we don't have to pay for anything yet, so here just input everything that you need so that you'll be able to complete the order. Now just scroll down and then click on the complete order. Okay, once you are done, right here just have to choose what will be the name of your store. So you'd be able to see here the available names that you can select. Okay, so this is for step 1 out of 3. So we are going to choose this one. After that, just click to continue. That's right. And here, what will your website look like or the template that you want to use? So what we are going to do here is we are going to use the free one. Okay, and then click to continue option at the bottom right of your screen. So right here, if you want to see the different templates, you just have to click on this arrow right here. Okay, and then if you would like to, use those templates, so you can pay for those amount. Okay, so we are going to use this one and then click to continue. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and then right here for step number 3, you would like to upgrade your store from the very start, so you can unlock the power of social media if you want to use this one, or add the Nike starter pack to your catalog. So this one is recommended, so if you want to grab this offer, so you can do that. So for this one, we are just going to maybe select the second one. Okay, and then click on to finish. Now right here, just wait for a couple of seconds and then let's make your first sale together. So how to get guaranteed sales faster, how to pocket $1,000 plus net profit per sale, becoming an official Amazon seller. So you can also skip this one or you want to continue onboarding. So welcome to Sellvia. Now you just have to explore your account or click on your store. So let's click on the explore your account option. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, you'd be able to see here now your dashboard. Okay, so increase your sales, you can expand your store. Right here, when you scroll down, you have here your store performance. So when you scroll down right here, you have your store performance. So you have your total sales and then everything that you need to see. Okay, so ready to sell Nike and New Balance product. So right here at the left side, you have your product section. So if you want to add products, you just click on this one. And as you can see right here, if you clicked on the start now option, you'd be able to see here the different products that you can use. So for Sellvia choice, we have this number 1, so just click on the start now option. But of course, in order for you to use this offer, is you have to subscribe to a plan. So you have to buy this one. Okay, so here when you scroll down, you'll be able to see the recommended for you products. Okay, so after that, you'd be able to see here now the price. So if you want to subscribe to this offer, all you have to do is to input your payment method or the Cash App Pay. So it's up to you what kind of payment method you want to use. Okay, now let's go back here and go back to the product section. So here you'd be able to see the popular brands, the printed products, and then your products. Okay, so here you'll be able to see the different pricing of each products. Okay, so we have $99, We also have here $59. So it's up to you of what kind of product template that you want to use or you want to subscribe to. So you can also go to the popular brand section. You also have printed products and your product section. Okay, so just go here to the left side of your screen and then you can explore the settings. So let's go to the printed products. Okay, so you can express yourself with unique printed products right here. But of course, you have to pay for about $199 if you want to get this offer. Okay, so for the popular brands as well, and then you'd be able to see here your products. Okay, so for the amount of products, you'd be able to see that right here, and then the products prices, and then the details of your products. So here, when you click on the add product to sell, you have to choose a template for your products. Okay, so when you go to the order section, okay, so you'd be able to see here the orders. Okay, that's right. And then when you go to the report section, you'll be able to see here the reports of your store. Okay, so you have here your total sales, your unique visitors, total orders, average order, and etc. And you also have here your services. So when you go to your online store, you can add a domain, choose a template or themes, and then when you go to the exclusive themes, you'd be able to see here the available themes that you can use for your store. So you just have to scroll down and then you can also go to the recommended for you section. And for the domain, okay, so if you want to upgrade your domain, so you just have to click on the upgrade option, and then of course you have to pay for it if you want to buy that domain for your store. So let's go back to the homepage. Okay, so here at the top right, you'd be able to see here if your store is active. So if you can see that active option at the top right, that green color, so it means that your store is active. Now, if you were to ask, Sellvia is a good option for beginners in drop shipping, especially those targeting US customers, because it offers a streamlined and beginner-friendly platforms with fast shipping, ready-made product listings, and marketing materials. Unlike traditional dropshipping from platforms like AliExpress, Sellvia stores inventory in US warehouses, allowing products to be delivered within 1 to 3 business days. This helps boost customer satisfaction and trust. So the platform also provides professional product photos, ad copy, and even video creatives, making it easier to market your items on social media without having to create content from scratch. So for entrepreneurs without much experience, Sellvia support team, free training materials, and integration with Shopify and WooCommerce can make starting an online store less overwhelming. And that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.